You keep kicking with your stronger leg and tipping over. You're very strong on your right side. Where are you going? We are working hard on our sitting tonight. Oh. Good job, Quinny. Look at you. Good girl. Uh-oh. There she goes. You're gonna tip over. Whoa. Where are you going? I just want to stand. Sit in the middle. Good girl. You're so strong. Look at you go. Work it, Quinny, work it. Work it, Quinny, work it. Come on. Work it. Oh, big girl. Good girl. Good job. Yeah, it's hard. It's so hard. Doing a good job. Getting really strong. Yeah. All right, I'll sit you up straight.